all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi with his Mauritian counterpart Pravin Jagnnath jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building in Port Louis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi joined the inauguration ceremony virtually. Post-inauguration, Narendra Modi addressed the people gathered for the ceremony. In his address, he congratulated the government and the people of Mauritius for successfully curbing the spread of COVID-19. He added that he was happy that Mauritius was able to do so with the supply of medicines from India.
I congratulate the government and people of Mauritius for effective management of the COVID-19 global pandemic. I am happy that India was able to support this effort through timely supplies of medicines and sharing of experience.
Speaking about the inauguration of the Supreme Court building, he said that this was another landmark in the friendship between the two countries. He also added that both India and Mauritius respect judiciary as pillars of democracy.
Friends, today we celebrate yet another landmark in the special friendship between India and Mauritius. The new Supreme Court building in Port Louis is a symbol of our cooperation and our shared values. Both India and Mauritius respect our independent judiciaries as important pillar of our democratic systems.
Prime Minister Modi also recalled the previous time he spoke in Mauritius about the relationship between the two countries. He said that Mauritius was at the heart of India's approach to development partnerships.
It was in Mauritius that I had first spoken about India's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region. This is because Mauritius is at the heart of India's approach to the Indian Ocean region. And today, I want to add that Mauritius is also at the heart of India's approach to development partnership.
In his address, Prime Minister Modi added that India's help comes without any terms and conditions. Prime Minister Modi said that for India, the most important part of developmental cooperation was mutual respect.
For India, the most fundamental principle in development cooperation is respecting our partners. The sharing of development lessons is our only motivation. That is why our development cooperation does not come with any conditions.
Mauritius Prime Minister, who addressed the event before Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, sprung a surprise by speaking in Hindi. He expressed gratitude to Modi and said that the whole nation was thankful for India's support.